my people. So today I'm gonna make one huge steamed fish. I already have my fish right here. My fish here, it's already seasoned. It's seasoned and clean and seasoned already. This is my fish. So I'm gonna just steam that fish in this big pot right here. Let me check it out. Oh, it's too big for it. I have to get another pan. It is too big for it. Look at that. I wish it could fit, but it can't. So I'm gonna get a bigger pan so I can put it in. Stay tuned. Because I'm gonna do that big fish by itself. Stay tuned. So I find this thing. So this thing can do the job. So look at it. I'm gonna try and test it in there first before I go ahead with it. So I'm testing it. That's the right size. Look at it. So we're gonna go ahead and work with that pan. So with this fish, I have all my ingredients here. This is all my ingredients for my fish. That's all my ingredients. And I'm gonna prep my tin for my fish. I'm gonna take it out. Now I'm gonna add a layer of butter. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in the oven. So I'm melting my butter before I put my fish inside the pan. So this is my fish right in the butter. I'm cutting my carrot. I have 2 carrots. So that's for my carrot. I have Irish potato, so I'm cutting up some Irish potatoes. I have 2 Irish potatoes. I'm going to be using 2 kind of bell pepper. String bean. I'm adding some string bean. So that's the okra. I have my habanero. That's a must in my fish. Habanero and a lot of garlic. Garlic is coming up soon. Crush a lot of garlic for my fish. So that's what I do. I do what I do and I love what I do. So we put the garlic. All my fish is already seasoned, and I make sure the garlic enter all these slots. And I'm also gonna put butter in these slots right here, all these slices what you have, and like that. I'm not done. Broccoli here, I'm decorating it up. Not only that, espargant. I have some espargant too. They are not lonely. They're supposed to be comfortable with each other. This is for the people who don't eat a lot of meat. And I have scallion. Scallion and green onion. I already washed them. I split my green onion in half. Split my green onion in half and put it to it. And then I'm gonna cut my scallion, chop up my scallion small chunks. Stay tuned for that. People, so I have to make my coconut milk from scratch. So I'm gonna go ahead and crack my coconut and blend my coconut. I try to save my coconut water at all times because the coconut water is the best water for you. Oh, this is good. I used to have. So I cut my coconut up a little bit so I can get to blend it. You don't stick the blender and burn it up. going to add the remaining of my coconut. Sometimes we can cut the video a little. There's nothing much for me to grab, so I'm just going to strain it because it's so smooth. I'm just gonna strain it. I think that's enough coconut milk to cook that one fish. So that's great. So I'm gonna chop up my onion. Finish dressing my fish. And I'm gonna add a little total seasoning. Garlic powder, my bad. Garlic powder. I already put total seasoning here. Garlic powder. And then last but not least, I'm gonna add some. That is it, my people. So I'm gonna cover it and I'm gonna put it in the oven. I'm gonna put it in the oven for 35 minutes. So yes, my people, so that's what I'm doing right now. So see you in 35 minutes or earlier when I'm checking on my fish. So yes, my people, so now I'm gonna enter the oven with my fish. And it's gonna sit there for, I'm gonna let it sit for 20 minutes and then I'm gonna check on it. And cause it needs a total of 35 minutes for it to cook. Okay. This is 25 minutes later. This is 25 minutes later. I'm just wetting the fish and everything else. What is not covered in the coconut milk. Yeah, this fish gonna be bomb. As long as the potato cook, then now it's ready. Take it out of the pot. Take it out of the pot. You want something for real, man.
They were recording.
All right. So I have 15 minutes more left. And it's gonna be good. Only 15 minutes more. Alright, my peeper. That is it. 15 minutes more. And that's good. Alright. Leave it alone. Every time you do
We're recording. We're literally recording right now.
So yes, my people, this is the final of my fish. Final. Look at it. 3-pound snapper. Sits in coconut milk. That's some potatoes, okra, let me just use this spoon. This is okra and my green onion and potato. This look at this gravy. Look at this gravy from the coconut milk. Look at it. Look at this gravy from the coconut milk. Look at that. Now I'm going to take a cut of the fish. Look at that. Look at that, my peeper. Look how awesome this look. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Take some pictures. My peeper, so yes, my peeper, so I'm tasting the fish. This fish is juicy and nice. Something, my people. There's a lot of ways you can do fish. You can do chicken. You can do everything. There's a lot of ways. And this is a nice, authentic way to do the fish. So my people, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to like, share, and subscribe. This is a good moment of this fish.